a total attack. This is the killing of a generation of people. This is the budget cuts, and it kills people. So it's horrible.
What we're doing here in Wisconsin is leading the way with a better alternative. This is about protecting middle-class jobs and protecting middle-class taxpayers. It's ultimately about making government work better for the people we are elected to serve, and it's ultimately about rewarding good and decent employees. To get Wisconsin working takes a commitment to help the private sector create more jobs in our state, and we have an ongoing commitment to help our private employers or job creators put more than 250,000 more people to work over the next 4 years. And in our measure today, we help take the first step towards putting in place a government that is stable not only for the next several months and not only for the next 2 years, but a government at both the state and the local level that will be stable for generations to come. With that, I'll take some questions.
Governor, we can hear thousands of people in the halls screaming shame, shame, shame. We can hear that in your office right now. Can you respond to that?
Sure. I've said every day since I introduced this a month ago that the protesters who are here and around the Capitol, at least those from Wisconsin, increasingly there are more and more from other states, but those from Wisconsin have every right to be heard. And I respect their right. I think we've had a good civil discussion. It's been passionate, but it's been civil along the way. They have every right to be heard. But the countless numbers of taxpayers, the millions and millions of people who live in the state, the middle-class taxpayers of this state also have a right to be heard, and there's no point should their voices be drowned out by the protesters here and around the Capitol, because in the end, they're the ones that have had to pay the higher taxes and the higher burden of excessive government, of out-of-control government, and this is one more way for us to get the government under control, to balance our budget, and do it without costing middle-class jobs and middle-class taxpayers. Thanks for your time.
You're not concerned about legal challenges, you're not concerned about demonstrators, you're not concerned about recalls, you're not concerned about animosity in the legislature. Is there anything you are concerned about?